I'm here again at this mirror wearing this outfit. Look at my cute little keychain, by the way. It's from Zara, as of course. Basically I'm going outside. It's raining, but obviously I don't care about the weather. I'm not scared of the weather, so I'm gonna go outside. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Guys, I literally went to town to get some bubble bath, some boots, and I got some chips. And now I'm going home. What does he want, guys? You want? So if you wonder why I have a TV, that's why this is my TV. I accidentally broke the TV. Like, it literally fell. So we're gonna get our TV fixed, but we're not done it yet because it's not a priority because we have something to watch TV on. So, and that black chest of drawers is not staying there. I'm trying to get rid of it, but it's working for now as a credenza. Look at you, look at me. Hey guys, it's me. I am here again. I am in the bath currently, having a little relaxation. I use this, what's it called? Bayless and Hardin bath soak. And I bought this one as well, the one in the corner over there, just in case you can't see it because it's not focusing. There we go. But yeah, I'm currently in the bath. Got my water. Got my candle burning. This is my bathroom candle. I got my shower gel if I need it. And then I've got my tray, and which has a weird marker there. I think got it like that. And then yeah. Also, if there's anything you guys do, purchase this. Got my little bit of my hairs in there, but get a bath pillow. It really makes such a difference because I can lie down and be comfortable. I should have done like one of those things where I'm in the bath, switch my hands in it, you know, to add some cute B-roll. But your girl is a rubbish vlogger, so I'll do some incoming now. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Sorry for all the noise. It's MC watching Family Guy. Sorry, hello, I'm gonna close the door on you. He's been following me all day. I don't know what he wants. I'm wearing my cute little set that Chloe got for me for my birthday. It's from Boo Avenue. It's really cute. I absolutely love it. Okay, it's this little pink. I'm really loving pink at the moment. Yeah, I've got a lot of things with that. Yeah, so I thought I was bringing you guys here because I'm going to do my skincare. I'm going to use Skin Proud. Honestly, I know I keep babbling on about them, but the products are so good and I really love it, especially this cleanser. So yeah, this is literally my skincare drawer. I also have this essence from Dr. Zara. I really like it as well. But hello, this is making us dinner. This is like our Vietnam. Because I couldn't bother to cook today because I'm tired. And we've got dishes and stuff, but I can't bother today.
Today's your tired day.
Today's my tired, relaxed day.
Yesterday was my tired day and I slept most of yesterday.
Yeah, you did. And I slept most of today.
That's, to be fair, it's the first time in like months I've slept that long for a day. So, I don't know, it was nice to catch up and sleep.
Yeah. Same for me. I slept till 12. I don't sleep in ever. So.
You never sleep in?
No, it was lovely. But we're making, MC's, well, I said we. MC's making vegan. Is it vegan really? Yeah, it is vegan.
Meatball pasta.
Meatballs. What's it called? The Tesco plancha.
It's like the only affordable vegan meat
that tastes amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I don't really like meat at home. I don't know. I like to eat meat when I'm out. But yeah, I'm just making us dinner because I can't bother. And I don't eat spaghetti. Spaghetti's gross. We eat linguine.
Need that linguine.
Linguine.
Or the curly one. I like the curly one.
I don't like tagliatelle.
Oh, tagliatelle's the bomb though.
I don't really like it. I think it's like eating paper. It's like eating paper. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit on the sofa and chill
of humor, that could actually be something that
How
sticks,
much better
because
does it
I'm
sound,
clearly doing
guys?
this whole dating thing
Look
all
at this.
wrong.
Well, you've come to the right place. All you've got to work with is personality.
So much better.
I actually went to a psychic, and she said when
What'd
you're
you fancy?
24, around November, you are gonna meet the love of.
Oh, look at the sky. Guys, this is how I clean the cooker, especially after MC destroys it, because he always does. So use the pink stuff, get a little bit on there, get you a sponge, get a little bit on there, scrub it up, dub, put some elbow grease into it. Then you get your kitchen cloth. Then the magic happens. Just wipe it with a wet cloth. Get dry cloth and polish. And it's all clean.
God damn.
And he just comes and destroys it with his. But that's how you get it. Nice and sparkly. Like brand new. Hey guys, welcome back to a different week's vlog. Oh. So I'm out. Well, MC's here driving me. My Uber. He's driving me to get my nails done. So I'll show you guys what I do and what it looks like when I get there, because there's nothing for me to say really. Just get my nails done.
Tell me what kind of nails you're getting.
I don't know. So we'll see. Okay guys, I'm here with Dion. She doesn't want to be in it. Show you them your nails though. Look at the brats. Oh, there it is. How good are those? Oh, stop it. I'll tag her in my in what's it called? In my I don't know, description box. Yeah, and I'll put it on my somewhere here. Yeah. So you guys can get your nails done, because she's amazing. And they're sharp. You guys just wait. They look so good. Like I've never had anything to complain about. Guys, so I really want to wear these jeans, but this will go on my top. So I might just wear a different pair of jeans. Guys, I'm in Home Sense in Trafford, and look what I found. Buckle and a buka foot stew. So wow, stew. So but look how cute these are. I'm obsessed. Look at that. Oop. It opens. Oh, stop it. MC saw this sitting there somewhere and
It just looks so cool. I don't know.
he's obsessed with it. Look at that lady's face. Ugh.
Oh wow, that's very good though.
That is.
It looks sick.
I don't know, it's a big piece of art, so it's like...
That's really nice though. It's what are you saying? Big piece of art.
It's like if we get it and then after a month we don't like it, it's like that's kind of a waste, you know. That's my worry. But I like it a lot. Do you like it?
I really like it. That's coming from me. I'm not someone who even likes. It's
Okay.
a very nice piece. Like our house is neutral, but I really love this piece right here. A
bit
pop of
colour
color would
here
be
and there
nice.
isn't like a bad thing
No.
either. It's kind of like.
I mean, your house should make it should be your house, because I'm trying to make it into something. But I guess if you just like something and it goes into your house, then
Yeah.
like so be it. Do you know what I mean?
Okie
Look at these cute doggies. They're so cute though. I cannot imagine 4. It would just be funny watching you walk here with 4 dogs. And what's Arla doing? Arla's like. What do you do, MC?
Basically, I needed a fart, so I let Yaz go in the lift and I did it in the
Oh,
hallway.
it smells in here. Oh,
Did it follow us in?
yeah.
Oh no. I was like at the door, I was like, and
Yep.
I went,
No, it went brown. So disgusting. I swear to God. Can't take him anywhere. Morning, guys. I look crazy. I'm just taking Arlo to the loo. The sun's really shining right now. Like, really shining. I don't know what this child is doing. If you know the crust in my mouth, I literally had just woken up. Hey guys, it's me. I'm whispering because MC's asleep. So I don't really want to disturb him. It's Tuesday. I'm going to some green tea with chocolate. Green tea actually makes me poop. But also, I had a dream it was Christmas yesterday. Like, I had a dream about Christmas. The weirdest dream ever. Anyway, I've got my honey jar thingy. I got this from Zara home. Today, I'm gonna edit some more. Maybe film, make dinner, clean the house, or the apartment. So I'll take you guys with me. But right now, I'm going to journal because I like to journal every morning if I have the time. I need to get some lip balm. So it's extremely loud out here. Well, not that loud actually. It's not as bad as people think it is. Like, I just watch like traffic and I just tune it all out when I'm not here. I like it. I've got my journal, my green tea, and cute little fake flowers. So yeah. After I'm done writing in my journal, I kind of like just edit on my phone or just go on my phone. So I'm just going to do that now because I've got messages to reply to.